Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the multi-screen frames pack by MediaStock for Premiere Pro coming up. And the very important thing which you need to know before downloading this pack, that this pack is only works in Premiere Pro 2021. If you have the previous version, then this will not work because this drag and drop replacing the footage option is available only in the Premiere Pro 2021 version. So make sure you have the 2020 version before downloading this. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to download this pack, the link of this is in the description section below. This is available on the Envato Elements and as well as on the videohive.net. So if you don't know about the Envato Elements, let me tell you that Envato Elements is a one-stop creative subscription where you can get everything: stock videos, video templates, music, sound effects, graphic templates, graphics, presentation template, photos, add-ons, and WordPress items, and much more with just one single subscription, which is very affordable, and you can just use them for unlimited projects, and you can download unlimited assets right from the Envato Elements with just one subscription. And all the items are included with the commercial license so that you can easily use it even for your client's work, and I myself use it for all of my creative needs. So if you are interested in the subscription of Envato Elements, the link of this is in the description section below. So once you download this multi-screen pack by MediaStock, you'll get a GIF file something like this, and you need to just extract it. So use any Ungif software to extract it and open this folder. Inside this folder you will see two folders. One is a Moget files and the second is video tutorial, shows you how to use it. Inside this Moget files you have two folders. One is 3840 by 2160, that is 4K, and one is full HD 1920 and to 1080 OLED. So these are the different Moget files which we need to install. Alright, so I'm going to use full HD for this purpose, and I'm going to just copy this and open a new project. So I'll call it multi frame. Okay, alright, so after launching the Adobe Premiere Pro, you have to go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way this panel would be available right over here. You have to just click on this hamburger menu and click on the Manage Additional folder, and this dialog box would be opened. So here you need to click on the Add, and now you have to browse that folder where we have downloaded it. So this is the multi-screen frame and Moget file. So if you want to install the 4K, then you can just install this folder, select this folder, otherwise you can select this folder. I'm going to select the full HD one and press the select folder, and that way this would be right over here somewhere. So let me find it here. Alright, this is right over here, 1920 by 1080 software multi screen frame pack. Okay, and thereafter you need to just press the OK, and once you'll do this, all of these would be available right over here. So these are, you can see the preview, so screen frame. So if you just type screen, okay, so now all of these would be available right over here. So these are the options which we have. So now we can just simply use any of them. So let me just show you how to use something like, let's say like this one. All right, so what you have to do, you have to simply just click and drop it over here. So first let me create a new sequence, and then I will just drag this right over here where I want this. So it would show you that this clip does not match the sequence setting. It will show you change the sequence to match the clip setting. So if you want to change it, otherwise just keep the existing setting, and it's going to load, and thereafter you can just preview it. You can see drop your images or videos right over here. So inside it here, if you go to the edit in the essential graphics, you have the video 1 and you have the video 2, right? So you can drop the videos or images right over here. So I'll just drop this video right over here, and boom, and I can drop this one as well on the second one, and that would appear right over here. And now I can adjust their position. So I can adjust the X and Y position, and I can even adjust their scale. Alright, so over here as well we have the height, and we have the scale and the position, X and Y position. So if we just play it through, you will see that this looks something like this. And if you want to adjust the position of the top one, so you can adjust that as well. So you can scale it up or scale it down, and we can just adjust it. We can adjust the X position, we can adjust the Y position, and similarly for this one as well, we can adjust the Y position. So let me just bring it down a little bit so that we can see the lighthouse. And now if we just play it, you can see this is how it works. Now let me just browse the another one. So let's go for this one, and this is the second one, and I'll go to the video 1. In the edit option we have the video 1, so we need to click on this arrow to open its settings, and the second one as well. So let me go first one and the second one, and let me play it through. You can see this is how it looks, and I can just place one background under it. Right, so this is how it looks, and I can change the background color right from here. This is the background color. So I'll just click on this, and let me just select this color. So now this has this color, or let's maybe change this to something like this, and boom. Alright, so similarly we have the other templates as well, like this one. So we have the 4 videos right over here, so we can just drop one. So let me browse an image for this and drop it over here, and let me adjust its position. So let me adjust the Y position. Oops. This is way too low. Right, Something like this is good. So if you just play it, you can see this is how it looks. Alright, so this pack is really amazing because it has around 59 items. So you have the 59 different options of multi-frame right over here. You can see, let me just scale it up to show you. So 1, 2, 3, you can see. So you can see that we have many options right over here. So this is very amazing. And alright, these are not included with this one. This is from some other pack, from YouTube pack. Alright, so this is a very amazing pack. It has lots of options and very cool options. All the animations and frame splitting is already done. So all you have to do, just drag and drop over your footage or over your project, and just you are good to go. So if you are interested in downloading this, you can download this pack, amazing pack, from the MediaStock. The link of this is in the description section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.